Welcome to Horizons of History. Do you know about a country that possesses the power of nature, the blissfulness of adventure, and excellence in all aspects of life? Yes, you guessed it right, it's Switzerland. Today, in this video, we will take you on a journey to explore the various aspects of Switzerland. History. Switzerland has a rich and complex history, dating back to the Stone Age. Throughout the centuries, Switzerland has been influenced by a variety of cultures and civilizations, including the Celts, Romans, and Germanic tribes. In the Middle Ages, Switzerland was a confederation of autonomous regions, united by a common desire for independence and defense against external threats. This confederation continued to grow and develop over time, eventually becoming the modern-day Swiss Confederation in 1848. During the 20th century, Switzerland remained neutral in both world wars, although it did experience significant economic growth and development during this time. Today, Switzerland is known for its political stability, high standard of living, and innovative economy. The country has also played a significant role in international organizations, such as the United Nations and the World Health Organization, and is home to many important financial and cultural institutions. Geography. Switzerland is a landlocked country located in Western and Central Europe with an area of 41,285 square kilometers. The capital of Switzerland is Bern. Switzerland is famous for its snow-capped peaks, stunning lakes, lush greenery, and for its cheese and chocolates. It shares borders with France, Italy, Germany, Austria, and Liechtenstein, and is known for its diverse topography. Geographically, the country is divided into three major regions. There are the Swiss Alps in the south. The Alps fade out into the Swiss plateau with a landscape of rolling hills, plains, and large lakes and average elevations between 400 m and 700 m. To the northwest along the French/Swiss border is the Jura, a subalpine mountain range. Political system. Switzerland has a federal parliamentary republic with a strong tradition of direct democracy. It consists of 26 cantons, each with their own government and parliament. The Federal Assembly is the legislative branch, while the Federal Council is the executive branch. Swiss citizens can participate in the decision-making process through direct democracy, such as initiatives and referendums. The Swiss political system is known for its stability, consensus building, and respect for individual rights and freedoms. Switzerland has several major political parties, includes the Swiss People's Party, SVP, is considered to be the largest and most conservative party, the Social Democratic Party, SP, the Free Democratic Party, FDP, the Christian Democratic People's Party, CVP, and the Green Party. Economy. Switzerland is a prosperous and modern market economy with low unemployment, a highly skilled labor force, and its GDP per capita is among the highest in the world and was worth $800.64 billion in 2021. Switzerland has a strong and stable economy that revolves around various industries, such as banking and finance, pharmaceuticals, and food production. Switzerland is home to some of the world's biggest brands, such as Nestlé, Novartis, and Credit Suisse. Military. The Swiss Army is known for their reputation of neutrality, precision, and expertise in mountain warfare. It has a total of approximately 140,000 personnel, with around 20,000 of them being active-duty soldiers. Swiss citizens aged 19 to 34 are required to undergo military training and serve in the military or civil defense for a period of time. The Swiss Army has a budget of approximately 5 billion Swiss francs (CHF) per year, which is equivalent to about $5.3 billion. Despite its relatively small size, the Swiss Army is considered one of the most well-equipped and highly trained armies in the world. Population and religion. Switzerland has a population of around 8.5 million people, mostly consisting of Germans, French, and Italians. The official languages of the country are German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Switzerland is also known for its religious diversity, with Christianity being the largest religion, followed by Islam and Judaism. Places to visit. The country is a popular tourist destination, known for its picturesque landscapes. Switzerland has about 1,500 lakes and nearly 50 mountain peaks that are 4,000 meters high or higher. Switzerland has a plethora of tourist attractions, from vibrant cities to natural wonders. Some of the places to must visit are: Zurich, the largest city in Switzerland. Zurich is a bustling metropolis with a vibrant cultural scene, stunning architecture, and beautiful lakefront promenades. Geneva, located on the shores of Lake Geneva, this international city is known for its rich history, museums, and cultural institutions. The Swiss National Park is a protected area in the eastern part of Switzerland and the oldest national park in the Alps, founded in 1914. It covers over 170 square kilometers and is home to a variety of flora and fauna, including ibexes, chamois, marmots, and golden eagles. Visitors can explore the park's alpine landscape through its well-maintained hiking trails while respecting the park's commitment to conservation and sustainability. The Matterhorn, Switzerland's iconic pointed peak, is one of the highest mountains in the Alps. On the border with Italy, this legendary peak rises to 4,478 meters, and its four steep faces lie in the direction of the compass points. The first summiting in 1865 ended tragically when 4 climbers fell to their death during the descent. Today, thousands of experienced climbers come here each summer. Interesting facts. The Swiss have a long-standing tradition of neutrality, and the country has not been involved in a war since 1815. The Swiss are known for their precision and attention to detail, and the country is a world leader in watchmaking. Switzerland is the birthplace of milk chocolate, which was invented in the late 19th century by Swiss chocolatier Daniel Peter. Switzerland is home to some of the world's most famous ski resorts, including St. Moritz, Verbier, and Zermatt. The Matterhorn, one of Switzerland's most iconic landmarks, was first climbed in 1865 by a team of British mountaineers. According to the World Happiness Report 2021, the Swiss Confederation is officially the third happiest nation on Earth, after Finland and Denmark. Thanks for watching my video about Switzerland. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more great videos.